Thank you so much for joining me once again. My name is Bodo and this is Bodo Thai. Today, I'm going to teach you how to say, how are you in Thai? Yeah, pretty simple. You want to go around and ask people how they're doing, right? Stop being a weirdo and just like being like anyway, like me. So, today, I'm going to teach you how to say, how are you in Thai? Let's go. How are you? สบายดีไหม สบายดีไหม I'm gonna make it a little slower for you. สบายดีไหม One more time. สบายดีไหม Now a little faster. Put it all together, make it sound natural, right? สบายดีไหม 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 As a man, you put a word crop at the end to make it seem polite. You want to come off as polite guy, sometime. And it goes like this. สบายดีไหมครับ 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 Or you just, make it a little bit less proper, like more casual. You say, as a man, you say, สบายดีไหมครับ 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 As a woman, use the word ka at the end. Now listen, it goes like this. สบายดีไหมคะ สบายดีไหมคะ At the word ka at the end, make sure that the sounds kind of go just up a little bit and just disappear. Like a little just dust. Just right? Not สบายดีไหมคะ No, not ka. That sounds weird, right? Not like ขอบคุณค่ะ You see it different? ขอบคุณค่ะ Ka is go down. But as a question, you're asking people question, the sound go up a little bit, just a little kiss. สบายดีไหมคะ สบายดีไหมคะ Okay? Now, I'm going to put two sentences together. Don't get all crazy on me. It's easy, just trust me. Okay? Now, as a man, I'm going to greet first. You say, สวัสดีครับ สบายดีไหมครับ สวัสดีครับ สบายดีไหมครับ Now, that's a full sentence there. Oh, hold on. You are speaking Thai, my man. You are speaking Thai, my friend. สวัสดีครับ สบายดีไหมครับ As a woman. Now, listen to this, though. This is a good example, okay? สวัสดีค่ะ สบายดีไหมคะ Okay? The first part is สวัสดีค่ะ It's drop and just stable. สวัสดีค่ะ Part 2. สบายดีไหมคะ สบายดีไหมคะ See what I mean? See the difference? Yeah. Don't make all weird words in there. It's very easy. Just follow. สวัสดีค่ะ สบายดีไหมคะ Okay? Don't go around saying สวัสดีค่ะสบายดีไหมคะ No. That sounds strange. Like, what? สวัสดีค่ะสบายดีไหมคะ Now, as a woman, okay? It's very easy. Trust me, just, a little practice, you get it. I'll recap a little bit. Okay? Now, to say, how are you? สบายดีไหมสบายดีไหม As a man, สบายดีไหมครับสบายดีไหมครับ As a woman, สบายดีไหมคะสบายดีไหมคะ Just a little fairy dust. สบายดีไหมคะ See what I mean? Yeah? Pretty easy, right? Anyway, and if you like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe. That means the world to me so I can make more content for you. But if you miss out some of the videos that I made earlier about, greetings and all that fun stuff, I'm going to put the link of the video at how many videos of the video I'm going to put in. Anyway, if you haven't seen other videos I've made on greetings in Thai, I'll put the link at the end of the video so you can check them out. Please give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. My name is Bodo, and this is Bodo Thai. Peace.